the Ministerio de Defensa has issued a nationwide emergency warning. The following message has been transmitted as requested by the President, Javier Milei. About 2 minutes ago, a large contingent from the greater Jewish states of Uruguay has breached our mutually agreed international borders. We are currently mobilizing our army. We will inform you about any further developments.
Vanguardia mecánicas de la patria, las que están presentes hoy, porque han tomado el porvenir en sus manos y saben que la justicia y la libertad la impondrán únicamente teniendo al general peón dirigiendo a la nación. Todo lo que dice, no.
You cannot let greater Jewish states of Uruguay annex Buenos Aires. We must stop them.
I am sorry, but all is lost. The Bulgarian South American provinces army is in shambles. We have lost fair and square and there is nothing we can do.
Don't be so sure, Miley. I have resistance contacts with the Bulgarian Communist Resistance Movement in Buenos Aires, led by Anthony Spade. I know you don't like communists, but you must compromise for the territorial integrity of our great nation.
Okay, tell Anthony Spade to rebel in Buenos Aires. If they manage to take back the city, then I will naval invade Montevideo, and we will assert dominance over the stupid Jews.
All hail Bulgaria.
The Ministerio de Defensa has issued a nationwide emergency warning. The following message has been transmitted as requested by the President, Javier Milei. 2 hours ago, we have invaded the greater Jewish states of Uruguay to take back what is rightfully ours. I, as a proud Bulgarian, can only wish that we may take back what is rightfully ours. According to our intelligence services, the Jews possess a devastating space laser which can wipe Rosario out in 2 seconds. As such, my administration and I have retreated to Ushuaia, which is protected with Sistema Nacional Anti-Gringo. May God have mercy on us. The Ministerio de Defensa has issued a nationwide emergency warning. The following message has been transmitted as requested by the Chief of the Army, Javier Milei. The cities of Rosario, Buenos Aires, Córdoba, and the entirety of the Islas Malvinas have been turned to ash as a result of the Jewish space laser. Due to this, I have decided to turn the entirety of South America into an ocean. I hope God may understand my genocidal choice due to my hopeless circumstances. Vive Argentina!